Hello, welcome back. So this is a different look for me. I literally put my hair like this because it's so greasy right now and I can't do anything else to it. So I'm like, I'm just gonna put it in like a slick back little bun and I'm gonna do a look that's out of my comfort zone. I actually really like this. I feel like it's such a mature look, but I freaking love this red lip so much. I did not swatch it before I put it on. I've never worn it before, never tried it. I literally picked this one out of my new makeup box that I have and I was like, you know what, we're just gonna try this one, and it's so freaking pretty. It's such a pretty red. This one is from Too Faced, and if you want to see what color this is and what other products I use to create this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by moisturizing my face. I'm going to be using this moisturizer from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Magic Cream Treat and Transform Moisturizer. If you guys hear some noise in the background, my child is watching Netflix behind me. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this Wonder Glow from Charlotte Tilbury also. These are kind of new products to me. I've never actually used these, so we'll see if I like them. So I'm just going to apply this with my hands. It has the same consistency of like a lotion, so I'm just going to rub it in like one. It's definitely giving me a nice glow, and it says you can wear this instead of or underneath foundation. I never wear my hair like this, but it's greasy, so I'm just trying some new things. For foundation, I'm going to go in with this one from Lancome. This is the Lancome Ultra Wear Foundation. I'm just going to pump out 2 pumps onto my beauty blender. For my bronzer and contour, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Ablaze Face Palette. I'm going to take the lighter contour shade first, just to bronze up my face a little bit. I'm going to be using my Benefit Hoola Bronzer brush. After I've bronzed up my face with the lighter contour shade, I'm going to take the darker contour shade right here and my Luxie Precision Foundation brush, and I'm just going to contour a little bit. My skin is super fair right now, so I don't want to get too crazy, but I just want to give my cheeks a little more definition. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with this highlighting shade up here. And I'm going to apply this using my Anastasia A23 highlighting brush. For blush, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Swish and Pop Blusher. I think this is the shade Sex on Fire. And I'm going to apply this with my tapered blush brush from Real Techniques. Okay, for my eyebrows, I'm going to apply my 24-hour brow setter gel from Benefit Cosmetics. I just like to run this through my eyebrows. After I apply that brow gel, I'm going to go in with this brow pencil from The Balm. This is their Ferocious Brow Pencil in the shade Light Brown. And this is going to be a really natural looking brow today, nothing too crazy. Okay, after I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm not going to do any eyeshadow today, just mascara on my lashes. So before I apply my mascara, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. This eyelash curler is from House of Lash. And for my mascara, I'm going to be using my Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. This is my favorite mascara right now. As you can see, I have mascara on this side, but not on this side, and it's such a good, big difference. I love this mascara. I'm also going to be applying this to my lower lash line as well. And to finish this look, I'm going to apply some lipstick. This one is from Too Faced Cosmetics, and this one is called Stop Traffic. It's like a really pretty deep red, so we're going to see what it's all about. I haven't tried it on yet, so hopefully it looks good. I should probably do a lip liner first, but I'm not going to. Okay, so this lip color is so beautiful. I did not use a lip liner. I feel like it would have been easier to apply it, so I had like more of like a guide to follow if I had put some lip liner on, but I don't feel like you need lip liner at all. Some lipsticks tend to like run a little bit or bleed. This one doesn't at all. It's a matte, but it's a moisture matte, so it looks pretty matte, but it doesn't feel super dry on the lips. It actually feels like really creamy. It's actually like one of the best lipstick consistencies that I've ever tried in my opinion. And the color is very, very pretty. I love it. And if you don't know, all these lipsticks from this collection smell like peaches. And to set my look, I'm going to take this setting spray from Urban Decay. It's their all-nighter setting spray from their Naked Cherry collection. The only difference is that this one smells like cherry. So that is it for this little makeup look. I really just needed to get ready really quick, and I was like, why not just film it? I knew this look was going to be super easy and quick, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you do subscribe, hit that little bell notification, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!